Hey, you guys, let's just take a moment and just appreciate how beautiful the sky is. Like blue and green, the trees, look at it. Like, it looks so beautiful. It looks so beautiful. So let's begin. This is day 10, right? Yeah, this is day 10 of season 3 of Ember Vienna. So, what alphabet is today's video? Uh, what alphabet is today's video? Today's video is letter what? I keep forgetting what letter it is. Okay. Yesterday was letter I, right? Yeah. So today's video is letter no, yesterday's video was letter H. Am I even showing in the camera? Let me move backwards. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So today is J. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go. What song should we sing? Let's take Vibe Killer, Bloody Samaritan. If you get fire, I don't forget the lyrics. Let's just take Shine Bright Like a Diamond. Yeah. Shine bright like a diamond. Yay. I just stopped that simple. At number 5, Joke versus Jaded. What's Jaded? What's the meaning of Jaded? Jaded. I've heard that word before, but like I don't really know what it means. So let me take a second. Jaded. Bored or lacking enthusiasm, typically after being overexposed to or having consumed too much of something. Oh, I'm telling you. Breath. Jokes versus jaded. Huh. Sometimes I feel like boredom. Let me tell you exactly what boredom does for me. I am usually like hyped and like joking, friendly, and goofy. But when I'm bored, when I'm jaded, I tend to get more ideas, like content ideas and stuff. For example, this is a nasty example, but stay with me, stay with me. I don't know if you relate, but when you're in the toilet doing a number two, if you're not with your phone and you're just sitting there, your mind is going to go to different places. And if you're a creative person or whatever field it is that you're in, you're literally going to get, you are going to get, or let me say, likely, not literally, likely going to get ideas. You're going to get more, just something. I think boredom is actually really good. It's not so good to always be enthusiastic, like always be on the high, on the high. Sometimes just come low. Yeah, just bring your feelings down and tune it down a little bit, and you will get ideas. That was exactly how I got the idea for this month's content series, the alphabet series, right? Good morning, manager. Our manager is here. Time. Well, the sun is hitting, so I don't care. I don't care. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell from my face, but I'm kind of moody today. I don't know why. I think because I slept late. Because I slept late, I was watching a movie. So, and I usually like my board time in the morning, my like 4 p time to pray, to what do I call it? I think I'm going to give um jokes 60% and jaded 40%. Yeah, because I'm usually very hyped up, and that same day I might literally go like you know what, I don't want anybody to disturb me, to stress me. I want to think about something. I want to be bored. I want to stuff like that. I feel so tired today. I feel like I just need to sleep. Pray, program, blah blah. I forgot about. I was thinking I'll remember it. I love you so much, Luchie. Even with you, your eyes are literally closing, but you filmed this video. Thank you so much for always being consistent. Okay, you're literally changing the neuro. You're taking a hold of how neuroplastic your brain is, and I love that for you. Thank you, and thank you, hey you, for watching today's video. It's been a pleasure to have you on my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye. Mm, mwah. I need to sleep, but I can't because I'm at work.